These are your shoutouts. Miss Lounger would like to dedicate this shoutout to these 6th graders. Not only did they complete their iReady lessons for math every week, but they have each completed all extended learning big idea lessons. This shoutout goes to Ethan, Amelia, Declan, Leah, Aiden, and Leo. Adele Hogland has been a rock star for distance learning in Math 8 and in science. She always goes above and beyond and does all the extra extended learning that is optional. Mr. Barnowski says she even catches my mistakes and kindly brings them to my attention. Miss Hubbard says she always does her best to ask questions and has an excellent sense of humor. Keep working hard, Adele. Miss Safanko would like to give a shout out to Mrs. Briggs. Mrs. Briggs was able to read and record 2 whole novels for our 8th graders to listen to as we worked through our Civil War unit in social studies. Mrs. Briggs read and recorded Nightshade and Soldier's Heart, 2 Gary Paulson novels, and then shared them with the other 8th grade social studies teachers so that we could post them on our Google Classrooms. Thank you so very much, Miss Briggs. Piper gets a shout out from Mr. Smith for going above and beyond in math. Nick gets a shout out from Mrs. Campbell for doing activities on the weekly wellness calendar.
Hi everybody, it's Kayla, and what's the T question is, what is the best memory you've had from this school year? Mine would have to be doing the talent show with the dance team, because that was really fun, or joining the dance team this
school year. My first one is my homeroom Christmas party, because that was just such a fun day, and we started off with having breakfast together and watching a movie, and the students even planned a white elephant gift exchange, which was super fun. So everybody got to go home with a present before we left for Christmas break. And I just remember that day being filled with laughs and smiles, and it was really, really fun.
I would have to say my favorite point of this year was my wrestling season and just my sports in general. Even though football, we did not do good. I will say that. Our football year was not that great. I got to play my new position that I've always wanted, middle linebacker. And it's just been a blast being able to just be at middle school. Wrestling was fun this year because I did so good. I lost 3 times. And it was to people that were really good.
There are a lot of good things that happened this year, but if I had to pick a favorite, it would probably be the swim season. We're always really close. We're like a giant swim family. We always say that, we're like a giant swim family. But the away meets are the best, because on the buses, we're screaming our throats raw because we're either screaming at each other, or we're screaming in general, or we're screaming to songs. And we make ourselves laugh to the point where we either almost pee our pants or our faces hurt so much from smiling.
One of my favorite activities from this year was when the 8th graders did the water filtration challenge. I love watching them build and think and problem solve. It's actually really exciting for me as a teacher. And then right now, online for distance learning, I am loving watching their egg drops, and I'm just kind of sad that I'm not being able to watch them in person.
My memory will be Ms. Jensen, seeing Ms. Jensen every day.
My second favorite memory is that one time I was coming back from lunch to my 5th hour, and my 5th hour tended to be a little bit silly. And one day I walked in and they were all in a circle hugging and chanting and being really goofy. And they were so excited for me to join in. And it was just this moment of, I have no idea what's going on, but I'm loving it. And I'm going to miss that group of kids a lot.
Today is a holiday. You may not know it, but every day is a holiday. Yes, these holidays might not be as big as Christmas, but they still deserve to be celebrated. Today is National Donut Day, June 5th. National Donut Day or National Donut Day celebrated in the United States is on the first day of June of each year, succeeding the donut event created by the Salvation Army in Chicago in 1938 to honor those of their members who served donuts to soldiers during World War I. Happy National Donut Day!
We still don't have a delivery date for yearbooks from Jostens, so distribution plans are not yet known. Please make sure to check your email throughout the summer for more information. Yearbook signing, though, is not canceled. You can go to yearbooksigning.jostens.com, follow the prompts to get started, and access your signing pages. You can do this even if you didn't buy a yearbook.
Pet of the Week. This is Digger, who is owned by 6th grader Kaylin High. He is a boxer mix and likes to dig and play. His favorite games are Keep Away and Tug of War. He is 5 years old. He dislikes when we play fetch. He can shake and he can honk the horn if we take too long. This is Snickerdoodle. He is 7 weeks old and is a mini Rex rabbit. His favorite thing to do is run around on a nice, warm, and sunny day in the nice green grass. He hates when he can't go running because it's raining. Snickerdoodle belongs to 7th grader Ben Gronzo. Meet Mrs. Street's cat, Primrose. Mrs. Harris, a math teacher at Holly High School, found this cat and 3 siblings abandoned outside Holly High School's front doors. She bottle-fed all 4 cats, named them all after Hunger Games characters, and Mrs. Street ended up with Primrose and Katniss. Thank you to everyone who shared their pets. We had so many, we didn't have time to fit them all in. And thanks to everyone who contributed to the screencast.
Hi, everybody. This is Miss Stefanko, and I want to read all of our summer birthdays. I'm going to start with the month of June. Happy June birthday. Moving on to our July birthdays. Happy birthday to all of you in the month of July. And finally, our August birthdays. Happy birthday to all of our people in August. I hope everybody has a great summer.